In this video, I'm going to be showing you and anybody else how they can easily make up to $200 per day using Twitter. What's going on, guys? Simon Jordan here, co-founder of Life CEOs. And if you're new to this channel and you really want to start making money online or building and scaling an online business, then you might want to consider liking and subscribing to the channel so you don't miss out on any other videos in the future. Now, making money on Twitter is actually really easy once you know how it's done. So in today's video, I'm going to be taking you step by step through every part of the process so you understand fully exactly how you're going to be making money on Twitter. And if you stick around till the end of the video, I'm going to show you how to automate making money on Twitter so you can make very good money very easily without doing any of the work. Alright, so without further ado, let's get stuck in. Alright guys, so let's get stuck into this and let's start learning how we can make money using our Twitter account. So the first thing you're going to need is a Clickbank account. Alright, now Clickbank, you can open a free account and Clickbank has access to hundreds of different products that you can promote as an affiliate. Like I said, it's free. You can create a free account and then you can go into the affiliate marketplace. Okay, now once you're in the affiliate marketplace, you can see on the left hand side you have the categories of all the products you have access to promote in every imaginable niche. Okay, and you can also use the search bar here. Now what we want for this method to make money and promote on Twitter is we want products that people are going to have some sort of a passion or an irrational reason for purchasing, okay? So a product that solves a really big, significant problem they need to overcome. Good example of this would be anxiety or, mental health issues, or, people who need to quit smoking or quit drinking, or, need to learn a language or learn the guitar. These kind of things where people are passionate or, where they have that irrational reason to purchase, they're going to do really well, okay? And if you, like I said, if you follow this method exactly as I show you, it's going to work, no doubt about it. So for this example, we're going to focus on people who want to quit smoking, okay? So all we're going to do is in the search bar, we're going to type quit smoking, all right? And that should bring up relevant products to do with quitting smoking, okay? Now, this is really important to understand. What you want to find are products with a high gravity score, okay? You'll see the statistics here at the bottom, okay? I want you to focus on the high gravity. The higher the gravity, the better this product is performing, the more commissions people are earning with it, okay? So you know that it's actually a good product and people purchase it a lot and affiliates make a lot of commission with it, okay? So what you want to do is, we're going to go with this one, quit smoking. I can see just from the other ones, their gravity is quite low if you check them all, all right? So we want to go with this one. It's got the highest gravity. Looks like a good product, it's a good price, good commission structure. So the next thing we want to do is find the people that we're going to be promoting to, okay? And in order to do this, I've already done this earlier. What you want to do is just add in the search bar here, quit smoking, and you want to surround that with quotation marks. And that just means that Twitter is going to only going to show you tweets that contain that keyword, quit smoking. Then what we want to do is add -http://, and what that does is it removes any links, all right? Because you might have other marketers or other people promoting similar products, and what the -http does is it just removes those links from your search results, okay? Right, so when we click that search button, what should happen then is that we should start to see people who are talking about quitting smoking, okay? So, and here we see the very first one. I really need to quit smoking. All right. So what do you think? Do you think this person might be interested in our affiliate product? And this is basically it. So you can scroll through all of this. And again, it's like, hey guys, meant to quit smoking. You've got some other posts here. I'll quit smoking for good. All these people are talking about quitting smoking, okay? So our job from here now is just to take our perfect product and write them a tweet with our affiliate link. Now let me show you how you get your affiliate link. So you into the Clickbank marketplace. You just click here on promote. Okay, now what you're gonna have to do is add your nickname there. You can add whatever you want, okay, and then you click create. Now let me pull this into the window. So once you click create, this little link here, or this big link here, this is your affiliate link, okay? And this is what you're gonna be sharing with other people. When they click on that link and when they purchase the product, it is tied to you, okay? It's your affiliate ID, and so you will automatically get the commissions from that in your Clickbank account, all right? Now, important thing to note here is that we don't want to send this or share this big ugly link with people on Twitter, okay? We want to use a link shortening service. Now, a good link shortening service to use, which is also free, is Bitly. So you're just going to copy paste that link. We're going to go into Bitly, and in Bitly you can create again a free account. You just click on create bitlink, you paste your long form affiliate link in here, and Bitly is going to spit out this small tidy link, okay? And that just means it's just good. People are less intimidated, they associate it less with spam, they're more likely to click on it if you add a Bitly link. You can even customize it yourself. You could put in like quit smoking at the end of the link or whatever, okay? So let's do it like that. We save the link. The custom link could be taken, so we'll just add a couple of numbers here, and once you have that saved, you just copy that link, you go back into Twitter, and we go, and here's Shell, right? I really need to quit smoking, and all you're going to do is reply, all right? So just click here and just say, we're just going to say something like, I know the feeling, right? I quit 2 years ago, and this is what worked for me, all right? And then you're just gonna paste your link, all right? Easy, all right? Click reply, and then what happens is, not only is she going to get that link, but all her followers are going to see that link too. All the people that are replying to that message are also going to see that link. So you can see, if you do this for like 1 or 2 hours per day, like you can make a really good amount of money, okay? So once we've replied to all the relevant tweets, once we've gone through all of these, we can then alter the keyword, okay? We can alter the keyword, and we can just say, we can say something like just smoking, right? Just alter the keyword slightly, keep it in the quotation marks, keep HTTP, all right? And then once we do that, we're gonna get a whole fresh batch of tweets that we can respond to, okay? So now we might need something a bit better than just smoking, because it's a bit too general, but we might say something like it's hard to quit smoking, all right? And then that's gonna bring up now see, look, here we have more fresh tweets, all right? So look, it's hard to quit smoking when all your friends smoke. And again, like that just gives us hundreds and hundreds of new tweets that we can respond to with people who we know are going to be interested in this product that we're promoting, okay? So now please don't make the mistake of copying and pasting the same message to every single person. You want to take the time to write original, unique messages to each person. That's just going to make you more real, more genuine to the person you're replying to. And it's also going to increase your chances of making a sale, okay? So in some cases, people will even have their real name in their handle. So use their name in your reply just to boost your chances of them making the sale, okay? Now, if you follow these steps for 1 to 2 hours per day, like I said, you're going to start to make a couple of sales per day and a decent amount of cash. I'm talking like $100 to $200 every day. And if you don't have that much time to dedicate to this, I'm going to show you right now how you can get this running on autopilot, okay? So I'm a huge fan of work smart, not hard. And what I'm going to show you next is going to have you earning up to $200 a day while you focus on other things, okay? So you can outsource this work at a website called onlinejobs.ph, all right? Here we are here. Now, online jobs, this is a job posting website based in the Philippines, which means you can hire highly skilled, fluent English speakers to carry out your tasks for as little as $5 per hour, okay? So just remember, like the economy in the Philippines, it's completely different to here in the West. So this kind of wage is actually standard. It's pretty damn good for them. So, you know, don't feel like you're ripping anybody off here. You're not. This is a great wage for them, and you're posting a job. So all you need to do in order to do that is click post a job here, all right? And you're gonna say data entry, right? We're gonna say data entry, fluent English required. And then you're just gonna describe the job a little bit. You're gonna, you know, require fluent English speaker for data entry work. All right, and the salary we're gonna put in is gonna be like $5 per hour. You're gonna put in part-time employment. And then you're gonna have like office and admin. All right, so anyway, you get the point. You can fill in this. You can then submit the job for approval, and then you're gonna get tons and tons and tons of responses. And if you want, like I said, then all you need to do is send your Filipino employee. You just send them your affiliate link. You send them some, you know, examples of comments they're gonna write, and you show them how to do this. You can even send them this YouTube video, for example, to show them how to do this. And yeah, then like I said, you can start making money on autopilot while you're doing other things. I mean, honestly, this is an awesome, simple way of making good money very, very quickly online with something as simple as your Twitter account. Okay, so in a nutshell, that is it. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below if you've got any questions or if there's anything else I can help you with, guys. Alright guys, so if you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more, don't forget to leave us a like and please subscribe to the channel. We've got plenty more videos showing you how to make money online and build your own online business.